Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bar clamps for woodworking that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Jorgensen one-hand clamp. For woodworkers seeking versatile, one-handed operation, the Jorgensen 24 clamp set delivers exceptional control with its easy hold-to design. You'll appreciate the 300-pound load capacity and 24-inch max opening, while the patented sliding head lets you collapse and tighten with just one hand. These clamps convert into spreaders and can join together to double their reach. The contoured grip, quick release lever, and inline handle provide smooth operation, while protective end caps prevent workpiece marring. With a 4.8 star rating from 2,500 users, you're getting premium tools that'll serve your woodworking, hobby, and craft projects reliably. Moving on at number 4, we have the Jorgensen Steel Bar Clamp Set. Woodworkers seeking reliable clamping power will find exceptional value in the Jorgensen Steel Bar Clamp Set. With a 24-inch maximum opening and 600-pound load limit, these clamps handle demanding projects with ease. The high-carbon steel bars and cold-drawn steel screws guarantee lasting durability. You'll appreciate the multiple disc clutch that securely locks at any position along the bar, while the sliding head design lets you make quick adjustments in tight spaces. The comfort grip handle and ball and socket swivel enhance control during use. Plus, the rust-resistant zinc plating protects your investment, making these clamps a smart choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional craftsmen. At number 3, we have the WORKPRO 6-pack bar clamps for woodworking. The WORKPRO 6-pack offers exceptional value for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyist woodworkers who need reliable clamping solutions without breaking the bank. You'll get 4 6-inch and 2 12-inch clamps, each capable of delivering up to 150 pounds of squeezing force through their metal ratcheting mechanisms. These versatile tools quickly convert from clamps to spreaders, with the 6-inch models expanding to November 9, 1964 inches, and the 12-inch versions reaching 17 to 21/64 inches. The reinforced nylon body and hardened steel bars guarantee durability, while non-marring pads protect your workpieces. The ergonomic handles with non-slip texture allow for comfortable one-handed operation during your projects. At number 2, we have the WEN 36-inch steel bar clamps. Packing impressive strength with 1,200 pounds of clamping force, WEN's 36-inch steel bar clamps offer woodworkers a reliable and cost-effective solution for their project needs. You'll appreciate the quick adjust design that lets you slide the clamp closed without pressing buttons, while the micro adjustment knob guarantees precise control. The non-marring pads protect your workpiece from scratches, and the ridge shaft creates stops every 0.05 inches for enhanced stability. With a 2.5-inch throat depth and overall positive customer ratings of 4.6 out of 5 stars, these clamps prove themselves as worthy alternatives to pricier options. And finally, at number 1, we have the Jorgensen Steel Bar Clamp Set. Serious DIY enthusiasts and professional craftspeople will appreciate Jorgensen's versatile 4-pack steel bar clamp set, which includes 2 6-inch and 2 12-inch clamps rated for 600 pounds of force. You'll find these clamps excel at medium-duty woodworking and metalworking tasks, with their 2.1/2-inch throat depth and fast-acting sliding heads. The multiple disc clutch system, made of hardened plated steel, guarantees secure grip at any position. The orange-baked enamel finish resists rust, while soft plastic pads protect your work surfaces. With a 4.8 star rating from over 900 users, these clamps deliver smooth operation and reliable performance for both hobbyists and professionals. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.